Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can create a printout of Google Maps. So let's get right into it. Now for this, you're going to need to first, of course, create a screenshot to take a picture of any Google Maps area that you're currently looking at, and you can do that in a couple of different ways. Firstly, you can use a snipping tool on Windows to actually create a screenshot of a certain area. You can, of course, hold Control Print Screen to create a screenshot of your entire screen, and then you can cut it and truncate it further. While editing, you can just crop it and just make sure that the map is the only thing visible. And if you're on mobile, of course, you can just take a screenshot of your screen, and that should be it. Now, once you have those files, of course, you can print those files out. So if you have a printer, you just have to enter the file into printing, and after you're done with that, that is going to print out your entire screen on a piece of paper if you wanted, and that is pretty much it. Now, another method which you can use, however, this is a bit different. If you want a screenshot or printout, you can very easily just download an offline map on mobile. Just go into your profile picture at the top right, then you'll be able to select the offline maps option, then put within the frame the area of the map that you want to cover, and then just click download, and that's going to download you an offline map, which you can use, of course, without having internet, and that is pretty much another form of a printout of maps, and that is all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.